Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this tutorial, we are diving into the world of online meetings with Google Meet. If you are looking to connect, collaborate or learn how to navigate this powerful tool, stick around for this quick guide. Access Google Meet through your web browser by visiting meet.google.com or through the Google Meet app available on mobile devices. To join a meeting, enter the provided meeting code or join by a meeting link shared with you. To start a meeting, click on Join or Start a Meeting and create a new meeting or enter a nickname for your meeting. Before joining, ensure your audio and video settings are set up correctly. You can choose to turn on or off your camera and microphone. Click Join Now to enter the meeting. Once in the meeting, familiarize yourself with the controls. Mute, unmute your microphone, turn your camera on or off, share your screen, use the chat for text communication, and access additional settings via the three-dot menu. To end the meeting, click on the End Call button. You will be prompted to confirm, and once done, all participants will be disconnected. And there you have it. Google Meet is an excellent platform for virtual meetings and collaborations. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more skillful content. This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.